If you're a true connoisseur of both art and functionality, then this Alessi Michael Graves bird kettle is a must-have addition to your kitchen. This iconic kettle, introduced in 1985, has become a celebrated masterpiece, blending exquisite design with mass production methods seamlessly. Designed by the visionary Michael Graves, this kettle boasts a unique bird whistle that sings delightfully when the water reaches the boiling point, making it both a practical and enchanting kitchen companion. A marriage of aesthetics and functionality, the Alessi Michael Graves bird kettle is not your ordinary kitchenware. It's a stunning blend of art and purpose. Michael Graves masterfully fused various design influences, ranging from the timeless elegance of Art Deco to the vibrant allure of pop art, and even drew inspiration from the captivating language of cartoons. The result is a kettle that stands out as a true work of art while maintaining the utmost practicality. Singing elegance to your kitchen. Imagine the joy of brewing your favorite beverages with the delightful serenade of a bird whistle. This iconic kettle adds a touch of whimsy to your daily routine, making the simple act of boiling water an enchanting experience. As the water reaches its boiling point, the charming bird whistle announces the moment, leaving you captivated by its melody. Crafted with premium materials, the Alessi Michael Graves bird kettle is not just visually stunning but also built to last. Crafted from high-quality 18/10 stainless steel with a mirror-polished finish, this kettle exudes elegance and durability. The handle and whistle are made from thermoplastic resin, providing a comfortable grip and ensuring the bird's song is as melodious as ever. Versatile and user-friendly, this exquisite kettle is designed to cater to a wide range of stovetops, including gas and induction. Its versatility ensures that no matter your cooktop preference, you can enjoy the beauty and functionality of the Michael Graves bird kettle. With a generous capacity of 67.6 FLOs, it's perfect for both small gatherings and large gatherings, adding convenience to your tea or coffee preparation. Michael Graves' legacy. Michael Graves, a design visionary, left an indelible mark on the world of architecture and industrial design. His ability to combine art and everyday objects in harmony was unparalleled. The Alessi Michael Graves bird kettle is a testament to his genius, representing a perfect fusion of creativity and utility that has stood the test of time. Elevate your kitchen with the timeless elegance of the Alessi Michael Graves bird kettle. Indulge in the enchanting melody of the bird whistle and relish in the seamless blend of artistic aesthetics and practical functionality. Add this celebrated masterpiece to your culinary repertoire and let the bird's song bring a symphony of delight to your kitchen.